Meanwhile, Renault has passed Jacobi. He's up into 7th now. And Siwa having problems. This time Vlaanderen does go through. Point and squirt, but is he going to get caught around the outside-inside combination? No. Yes, he does. He runs it wide. Ah, the two almost touch bars. Prado gets the distance. He's going to try and squeeze Vlaanderen to the inside. That's exactly what he does. Vlaanderen gave him the roof to manoeuvre as well. Proper little tear up then, starting to shape up between these two. Vlaanderen goes the long way round, but again, is not going to go through there. Holding a very tight line. Bit deep there, though. Vlaanderen showed him a wheel. Thought he'd found his way past. This time he does, but there'll be a cut back to the inside. And Prado maintains his advantage. Bar to bar, though, down through the wave section, and Vlaanderen is through this time. So lap 4, we've got a lead change. It's Vlaanderen who leads the way. Quick pull of the tear off. Gap between him, 1.3 seconds. The Kevin van Venrooy Yamaha rider just looking so relaxed and comfortable. Meanwhile, Prado second, under pressure now from Geitz at 2:43 in that 3rd place. Koldenhoff not too far adrift either in 4th. In fact, the first 4 separated by the length of pit lane.